City, 28 through 34. Let me stop. Please exit only to your right-hand side. Please exit only to the right-hand side. It'll be a lot safer for you and me. Exit to the right only, please. Lower your head, watch your step.
Get your hand out of my pocket, Cheryl.
Where you going?
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Monorail Live. My name is Kyle. I'm your pilot and your host. And our next scheduled stop, of course, is the Magic Kingdom. While on board, we do ask you to remain firmly seated throughout the entirety of our trip for the comfort and safety of those around you. No smoking at any time. Yes, I have a press release in my back pocket. We'll get it all taken care of.
It's a mess today, isn't it?
It's full. Close the parking lot so nobody else can come in.
You ever heard of Worlds of Fun in Kansas City?
Can't say that I have.
Yeah, that's a shame.
Sorry.
That's okay.
I'm not a local. That's right. I don't know where it's at. It's Kansas City.
I work there, but it's not quite this size.
Where is that?
Kansas City, Missouri.
Uh-huh. Been through Missouri twice.
You've seen all there is to see then.
Drove through once and slept through the other.
Well, we slid through coming down.
They closed Epcot about 10:30. Well, they go back to I-4 or 192 and divert people. There's no place else to go. It may not be that the park is physically full, but
No place to
there's
park
no
'em.
place to park. There's no use coming in. They let them, they let them through. Like if 5 cars leave, they let 5 or 6 cars.
Do they park any grass here?
Yes, I told you. They have staff all parks in the grass. Come down the hill, I'll show you where about the temporary people are parking. Turn that up back there right this minute.
Do they park gas?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Well, we made the parking lot then.
And see all this down here? When the night staff comes in, they'll be down here. The day staff's on the back side. They've had a lot of people check out. They were just here over the holidays. They've checked out over the summer. The other day, the day before Christmas, Christmas Day, and the day before parked out there also.
Were you very busy yesterday?
Yes. Not as busy as today, but we were busy yesterday.
The weather not being as nice, I figured.
It didn't matter.
Really?
It was 67,000 or something like that. Ladies and gentlemen, as we approach the Magic Kingdom, I'd like to remind you, please remain seated until the train is made for a complete stop inside the station. At that time, please look down, gather all your personal belongings, close hats, glasses, cameras, kids, keys, whatever else you may be carrying. Look down, watch your step as you exit. Please assist small children following on the hand. Once again, this is the Magic Kingdom. On behalf of myself and everyone here at Walt Disney World, we hope you have a safe and enjoyable day.
And what was your name?
Kyle.
Well, Kyle, we enjoyed our ride with you.
My pleasure. Do this all the time.
We do occasionally.
There you go, folks. Have a nice day.
What, sweetie?
They both pulled out.
But I don't think we've ever seen it.
You keep your hands to that.
Where's that at?
Daddy, it's Adventureland right here. Daddy, Adventureland's right here. Where are we at, Daddy? Daddy, are we at me? What are we waiting for?
The parade, honey.
What time is it?
Take something real.
We're about right here, right? We're about right here, right?
and gentlemen, boys and girls. As a special feature of Fantasy on Parade, please welcome as Street Parade guest performers, the Kaimuki High School Marching Band from Honolulu, Hawaii, directed by Stephen